Assalamu alaikum. Let us start our next section of PPSC MCQs. Question number 1. Which of the following is the landlocked country? A. Nigeria, B. Kenya, C. Sri Lanka, D. Uganda. So Uganda is the landlocked country which has no sea. Question number 2. Tahrir Square is situated in Cairo. Question number 3. Benghazi is the city of Iraq, Syria, Morocco, Libya. So it is the city of Libya. Question number 4. River Nile originates from Lake Nessa. Option B. Khinga Mountains. Option C. Lake Victoria. So option C is the correct option. Question number 5. Greenwich is located in England. Option B is the correct option. Question number 6. Canton is the city of China. Question number 7. Indonesia and Malaysia are separated by Malacca Strait. Option C is the correct option. Question number 8. Capital of Zimbabwe is A. Harare, B. Seoul, C. Pretoria, D. None of these. So option A is the correct option. Question number 9. Myanmar is the new name of Burma. Question number 10. Morocco and Spain are separated by C. Strait of Gibraltar is the correct option. Question number 11. The apex elected body in Israel is called Knesset. Option C is the correct option. Question number 12. Communist revolution took place in Russia in the month of October. Option C is the correct option. Question number 13. Pulitzer is an American award in the field of letters and journalism. Question number 14. The name of US envoy of Afghanistan and Pakistan is Mark Grassman. Question number 15. De facto means D means actual, facto means as a fact. It is a German word. Question number 16. Carte blanche means full discretionary powers. Option A is the correct option. Question number 17. Corrigendum means things to be corrected. Option B is the correct option. Question number 18. Foxpass means false and incorrect step. Question number 19. Fifth column refers to treachery. So option D is the correct option. Question number 20. Pediatrics refers to care of children. In previous paper we have also seen this MCQ. Question number 21. Pythagoras, geometrician, belonged to which country? He belongs to Greece. Option C is the correct option. Question number 22. Asian drama, an inquiry into the poverty of nations, was written by. Option B. Gunnar Myrdal is the correct option. Question number 23. Tolstoy was the author of famous novel War and Peace. Question number 24. Which of the following ranks in the Air Force is higher? Air Commodore, Squadron Leader, Wing Commander, or Group Captain. So Air Commodore is the highest ranks in these ranks. Question number 25. The headquarters of WTO is at. So the headquarters of WTO is in Geneva. So World Trade Organization headquarters in Geneva. Question number 26. International Court of Justice sits at. So International Court of Justice sits at Hague. Question number 27. Heat received by Earth from the Sun is known as solar radiation. Option B is correct option. Question number 28. The cheapest source of electricity radiation is hydro. Question number 29. Largest political agency in Pakistan tribal areas in terms of area is South Waziristan. Option D is the correct option. Question number 30. Lori Pass connects Kagan Valley with Chilas, Kalam with Gilgit, Kuram Chashma with Luistan, or Dir with Chitral. So in previous paper we have also seen these MCQs. Question number 30. So it is between Dir with Chitral. Question number 31. From Karachi, furthest point on the coastal highway is Jiwani. Option B is the correct option. Question number 32. Circumference of Earth is around 40,000 km. Question number 33. The deepest point in Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench. Option B is the correct option. Question number 34. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in Tanzania. Option B is the correct option. Question number 35. Suez Canal links the following seas. Suez Canal links Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. So option C is the correct option. Question number 36. Khojak Pass is located between Quetta and Chaman. Option D is the correct option. Question number 37. Nearest part of our atmosphere to Earth is called troposphere. Question number 38. Colosseum, an amphitheater, is built in Rome. Option C is the correct option. Question number 39. Special theory of relativity was proposed by Albert Einstein. Option B is the correct option. Question number 40. Isaac Newton gave laws of motion. So this is the correct option. Laws of motion and laws of gravitation. Question number 41. Composition of Al-Khami is written by Jabir bin Hayyan. Question number 42. The book Al-Qanun fil Tib is written by Abu al-Sina. Option B is the correct option. Question number 43. Chile has the longest shore along Pacific Ocean. Option D is the correct option. Question number 44. Growth domestic product in Pakistan is growing at the rate of, it is near about 5.53% in 2018. So here the option C is the correct option, but maybe it is changed now. Question number 45. Agriculture, the key sector in the Pakistan economy, accounts for 21% of GDP. Question number 46. The earth is more closer to the sun in January. Option A is the correct option. Question number 47. Time required for a computer to locate and transfer data is called access time. D option is correct. Question number 48. A device which encodes characters by the depressions of keys is known as keyboard. Mixture of two metals is called alloy. Option D is the correct option. Question number 50 and the last MCQ is the area inside a computer frame and auxiliary where the date and instructions are stored is known as memory. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe our channel for more updates. Allah Hafiz.